YouTube, what's going on? Listen, today we're going to talk over Twitch.Guru again because things have changed on that web since I last did my last tutorial. So I know after I released my video, he changed a lot of things about 3 days after I released it, and a lot of you told me in my comments that this has happened, so I'm here to make a new video to make things right again. Now guys, I've realized that 84.6% of you aren't subscribed to my channel, so please, if you could do so and hit that subscribe button, you would really help me achieve my goal of reaching 100 subscribers. But as always guys, make sure you share this with a friend. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and I will catch you next time. Let's get straight into it. Stay safe, take care, and have a good one. Head over to your search engine. I'm on Google. You want to search for Twitch.Guru, and then you're looking for that link there, Twitch.Guru, unlocking your inner Twitch. Hit on it and you're in the website. So now you're in the website, you'll notice some things have slightly changed, like this subscriber tools here. Now the subscriber tools gives you slightly more control, and there's some more advanced tools for your stream to use. So if you want to be able to use these, then you need to go over and subscribe to his channel. Now to do this, you want to hit on that subscriber tools and then you can click here to subscribe. Once you've done that, these tools will become unlocked. Now you've subscribed, everything will be open, but we're going to look at the free tools. Now the free tools, a lot of them haven't changed in how you use them. You've still got the random clip player, that's exactly the same. Shout out player, that's exactly the same. If you want those awesome shout outs, please go check out my first Twitch.Guru video. Also, the download clips, fart command, they're all exactly the same. There are some slight changes though to the award timer and the talking hand. And also they have added, for all you Pokemon fans out there, Who's That Pokemon Gen 1. Now to give you an idea of how to use this Who's That Pokemon Gen 1, you want to click on channel, you want to type in your channel name. Who can guess? Set it to all of chat. Auto start new round. Yep. Time to show winner. So you remember on the TV program for Pokemon, and then during the adverts it'd be like, who's that Pokemon? That's this game, which is amazing. Now mute sound, who's that Pokemon? Nope, you don't want to mute it. Pokemon Generation 1, because when you aren't subscribed, you only get access to Gen 1. Play Pokemon cry sound, yep, so you can hear the Pokemon talk. Then you want the style options. Do you want it animated, dreamy, original, home, silhouette color? We're going to put that on black. And show text title, yes. Now it'll say true or false, that basically means yes or no. And then you have the URL down here, so you would just copy and paste that URL into your OBS as a web source, and then that's it. So I'm going to show you how to add in browser sources to OBS, just so you know how to add it in. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your sources box, and you want to hit this plus symbol just here. Once you've hit the plus symbol, you want to be looking for browser source. Hit browser source, then you need to give your browser source a name. We're going to call this Pokemon, and then you want to press OK. Then it will bring you to this box here. Now in this box, what you need to do is you need to put in the URL. Now that box that you copied the URL from, this is where you paste it. And then what you want to do is you want to go down and you want to shut down source when not visible and refresh browser source when it becomes active. The reason for this is if you have it open on multiple scenes, then when you activate it and it has sound, it will play in triplicate or 4 times, 5 times, depending on how many scenes you've got it active in, which you don't want to happen, trust me. Then once you've done that, you press OK. And then there it is. It will appear in this box that's highlighted here whenever you activate that Pokemon challenge, that Pokemon game. So that's how you add in browser sources to OBS. That can be applied to any website that requires a browser source to be inputted in order for activation onto your Twitch stream. So now we're going to go and take a look at the talking hand, because again, there's been certain things taken away from you. So if you're using the free tools, this is what you're going to get. So you want to click on talking hand. Then you want to enter in your Twitch username, hit next. Then you need to create the channel point. So what you want to do is you want to open here, then it'll bring you to your channel point creation on your Twitch creator dashboard. You want to go scroll right down to add new custom reward. Once you do that, you will then be entered into this area where you create your custom command for it. Now you want to give it a name. I've called mine talking hand. Then you want to add in a description. Type a message, it will be played out loud, keep it clean. That's the message I like to portray, because if anyone wants to abuse it, they're getting shut down. Then you want to put in require viewer to enter text. Now this needs to be activated. If this isn't activated, the redemption won't work. Then you want to give it a cost, mine's 200. Then you want to give it a picture. Then you want to choose the background color, and then you can add in cooldowns if you wish to. Now I haven't done that. And then you want to click save. Now you've created that channel point, you can go back over to Twitch.Guru, and then you want to enter here into your channel point redemptions. You want to find it yourself, click on it, enter in a message, then you want to put chat. Now, as you can see, we've now moved to step 3. Now this is giving me all the options. Now with the voice, you have one voice to choose from, which is Ivy female child. That's the only voice you have in. Now to hear what it sounds like.
What did the digital clock say to the grandfather clock? Look, no hands.
But that's what it looks like, but the mouth moves on your Twitch stream, and that's what it sounds like. Now you can adjust the sound playback speed, so you can increase it or decrease it. The default is 25%. Video playback speed is the same, the default is 25%, and you can increase or decrease the master volume. Then you want to move down here, and then you want to press copy to clipboard. Then you move over to your OBS and you add it in as a browser source. So that's how you add the talking hand. These are the slight changes that have been made to it. I hope that helps in clearing things up for you with regards to the talking hand. Now we're going to go and take a look at the award timer. So here we are at the award timer. Then you want to do is enter in your username for Twitch. Then you want to hit next. So after you've entered in your username, you want to go down to step 2 and create the channel point reward on your Twitch account. Make sure to tick require viewer to enter text. So hit that link. Then you want to go down and hit this add new custom reward. Then you will be taken over to edit custom reward. Now you need to give that reward a name, then a description. You need to require viewer to enter text. Without ticking this on, the reward won't work. You can also give it a picture, give it a channel point cost, background color, and then you can give it a cooldown timer should you wish. Then you hit save. Then you want to head over back to Twitch.Guru, and then you need to hit this channel point here. Once you've done that, you need to go down and find your channel point for it. Click on it. Then you need to put in a message, hit chat, and then it will find the ID. So once you've done your channel point, you will be over to step 4. Now step 4 is where you put in how many minutes you want the timer for. Now I put mine on for 3 minutes, so we'll put 3 minutes in the timer. Then you want to click set. Once you've had set, you'll be on styling and sound options. Now first of all, you can select a font. I'm going to use the first font there. You can choose the size of it. On finish, play sound. We'll play an applause. That will play for 14 seconds. It will let you know that the timer has ended and the challenge is over. Then you can select the color of the timer. We're going to go with white. You want to go down to copy to clipboard. Now you do have this option to add a label. Text emojis work, but not Twitch emotes. I'm going to leave that unchecked. I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to copy this to clipboard, take it to OBS, enter it in as a browser source, and then place it on my screen as to where I want it. And that is how you add in a timer on a specific reward that's timer based. It doesn't just have to be reverse pad. It could be anything like ban in-game action, or you can't swear for a certain amount of time. It could be anything like that. So there we go, guys. That's Twitch.Guru. Make sure you go check it out. Utilize these amazing features. Up your Twitch game by 100%. And thank you for checking out the video. Until then, I'll see you next time. Stay safe and take care.